Picture Death Valley, California, a sun-scorched desert where temperatures hit 130 degrees Fahrenheit and life clings by a thread. In a remote corner called Racetrack Playa, something bizarre unfolds. Rocks move across the flat, cracked earth, leaving trails that stretch hundreds of feet. No one sees them budge, yet the tracks are real, etched in mud like ghostly signatures. For decades, these sailing stones stump scientists, spark wild theories, and draw curious souls to this barren void. Welcome to Lost Enigma Hub. Today we unravel the mystery of Death Valley's moving rocks, a puzzle of nature or something stranger. Solved at last or still slipping away? Let's tread the playa and find out. The mystery begins in the early 1900s. Prospectors and ranchers spot odd trails in Racetrack Playa, a dry lake bed 3 miles long, nestled 3,700 feet up in the Panamint Range. Rocks, some weighing 700 pounds, sit at the end of these paths, straight, curved, looping as if dragged by an unseen hand. First reports hit journals in 1948. Geologist Robert Sharp notes them, calls it a freak of nature. Locals whisper of aliens, pranksters, magnetic quirks. No footprints, no tire marks, just stones and silence in a place where rain falls once a decade. Scientists dive in by the 1950s. Theories fly: wind, dust devils, earthquakes. Sharp and Dwight Carey stake rocks, name them, track them from 1972 to 1996, find some shift 2,000 feet in years. Wind alone can't budge a boulder, they say, gusts hit 90 miles per hour here, not enough. Mud's a clue, wet playa turns slick, but how? Rain's rare, dries fast. Others guess ice, a frozen shove in winter, yet proof stays thin. The rocks mock logic, a riddle in a desert where even the air feels dead. The breakthrough lands in 2014. Ralph Lorenz, a NASA scientist, and his cousin Richard Norris rig rocks with GPS, camp out in sub-zero nights. December 20, 2013, they catch it. A rare rain, then a freeze, thin ice sheets form, wind nudges them. Rocks glide, a dance of physics, ice panels act like sails pushing stones at 10 feet per minute. Published in PLOS 1, they clock 76 moves in 2 months, trails match. Mystery solved, they claim, a trio of rain, ice, wind, a delicate balance in a brutal place. Not everyone buys it. Critics poke holes. Why don't all rocks move? Some sit still for decades, others shift solo. Ice needs perfect chill, 28 degrees Fahrenheit or less, rare even in Death Valley winters. Winds patchy, peaks vary, not uniform. Park rangers note vandalism, tire tracks from off-roaders since the 2000s muddying data. Fringe voices linger, magnetic fields, ley lines, even UFOs towing rocks for kicks. The 2014 answer fits, yet gaps tease, a solution too neat for a place this wild. 2025 brings fresh eyes. Tech evolves, drones map trails in 4K, AI predicts weather triggers, citizen scientists post X updates from the playa. A March storm rare this year moves 3 rocks caught on a hiker's cam, reignites buzz. Geologists tweak the icewind model, thinner sheets, lighter breezes might do it, they say. Tourists flood in, National Park Service begs restraint, tracks fade under boots. The mystery's solved, yet 2025 stirs doubt. Are we missing a piece, or is nature still playing? What's it mean? Racetrack Playa's rocks turn Death Valley into a lab, a window on climate, geology, patience. They show nature's quirks, how small shifts, rain plus ice, move mountains or at least stones. Tourists see art, trails like brushstrokes on a cracked canvas. Scientists glean data, wind patterns, ice physics, hints at Mars maybe, where dust slides too. It's a dance of elements, fragile, fleeting, a secret the desert kept until we watched close. Yet wonder lingers. Solved or not, the rocks defy our need for control, a reminder Earth moves its own way. Some want more, a hidden force, a whisper of the unknown. 2025's clues deepen it, new moves, new questions. Protectors fight, off-roaders scar the playa, preservation versus curiosity. The mystery's charm holds, explained yet untamed, a paradox in the dust. April 2025, the moving rocks of Death Valley still captivate. Science says ice and wind, 2014 cracked it, 2025 refines it, yet shadows dance. Aliens, magnets, or just nature's whim? At Lost Enigma Hub, we chase the unexplained, the half-known, the wild. Solved for now or slipping still? Share your take below. subscribe for more enigmas because in Racetrack Playa, the stones keep their secrets, moving or not.